Do you ever wonder how to pick beautiful golden chanterelles? Let me show you. The beautiful golden chanterelle. Everybody loves these. They're easily identifiable by their golden color and their distinctive gills. There is some imposters, so you gotta watch and make sure you know what you're eating before you eat it. Sometimes they can be hard to spot, like these ones buried under the moss, or this one under here. But quite often they're just right out in the wide open, and you can easily find them. There's those distinctive gills I was talking about.
Under the dripping trees we roam, golden treasures hiding in the loam. Raindrops whisper tales untold in a forest filled with autumn gold. Muddy boots and laughter share, with every find our souls repair. Chantrelles bright like morning sun, in the drizzle we have fun. Golden harvest in our hands, nature's bounty where we stand. October rain we don't mind, in the woods our peace.
Anyways, my pail's full, so I'm gonna head back down to my truck. I'm gonna take these home, throw them in a frying pan, cook them up. They are delicious.
Leaves like carpets green and brown, feet dance softly without sound. Every mushroom a secret place, nature's gifts in autumn's grace. Raindrops painting our path clear, each one whispers where